already ate my bacon. Tessa took over the gravy bowl. I got back with the sausage. The biscuits. Oh, look at my sausage. Biscuits and gravy. Mommy been craving it. When I open the other one, I'll give you the bowl. But you know Sissy's gonna take it from me. Her little sausage. Not sausage, but gravy. Big bite. Let me see if I can do a big bite, y'all. Big bite. Shirt don't want to stay down. Oh, I'm hurting. I'm crying at the same time. You alright, my love? Try for another big bite. biscuit down, some bacon down, piece sausage down. That's good for me. I put my other biscuits in the refrigerator. Are you still hungry? Do you want one? Put my other biscuits in the refrigerator, my other sausage in the refrigerator, my other gravy's in the refrigerator, and I can have them later. You don't have to worry about anything being wasted. Because if I can't eat it, my husband eats it, and if he can't eat especially the gravy, we'll mix the gravy up with the dog food and the cat food, a little bit of it up with that, and get them as a treat. Let them have it, because they don't do table food much. About tuna and chicken in a can will pull apart, and the juices, that's a treat. Every once in a blue moon treat. I mean, they have the regular treats like training treats and stuff, but as a treat. And I've already talked to their vet, and they said it's perfectly fine because we don't indulge in feeding them table scraps. It's like us eating hamburger and french fries, and that's their hamburger and french fries. Now, Blaze does like french fries, and he will go to his Meemaw for french fries. And his Meemaw will spoil him in french fries. Because my mama can't eat a whole thing of french fries, and she'll spoil Blaze with french fries. So, he goes out walking with Daddy. Because he does get spoiled with fries. Don't he, honey? But what grandmother don't spoil their grandkids? And even well, that's a dog, well, that's a cat. Well, to each their own. There are kids. They just have fur and four-legged. And we adopted them. Some are rescues. One's a grandbaby, and one's a grandbaby. Two was saved, but her twin passed away. There's a memorial on there on our video. Here. Sissy stole your bowl of finish cleaning up my mess. Peace, love, and God bless. Come join the G Crew. Look up husband of G Crew, caretaker. Oh, husband of J2R, caretaker. And caretaker. Yeah. G Crew. Went to the doctor Monday. Had a mammogram. Ladies, get your mammogram done. Ladies, get your mammogram done. Found a dark spot. Gotta go back and get an ultrasound, and I have ultrasound over my kidneys. I have to have another ultrasound, same day an ultrasound done for, I can't remember what the other one's for, my abdominal, my stomach, but exactly what, I think it's the whole thing, and the hernia that's another hernia over my intestines. This month's a busy month. At one moment, my husband wants me. I'm back. So, ladies, remember, get your mammogram done. It's uncomfortable. It hurts. It's a pain in the boobies, literally. But it needs to be done. So remind each other, take care of each other, love each other, build each other. That's all I can think of right now. Until next time, peace, love, God bless. Bye.